this video, we're going to discuss running some basic reports out of the Omni platform. From the Admin Supervisor screen, you will go to Reports, and you can navigate to our different categories that we have. For this example, we're going to run our 77 report transaction list. So for here, I'm going to go to Show All. I can either type into the search the name of the report if I know it, or the ID of the report if I know it, but I can also use my filters right here, or my sorting, to be able to sort through different reports. So for this case, I do know the number of my report, so I'm just going to type in 77. I will then click on the report. In here, depending on the report, you can have different filters. So in here I can choose my agent, the services, the campaigns, the different segments, channel meaning the different types of media if it applies, also the call dispositions. As I navigate through my different filters, my other filters that I have not modified will change with me. So if we go and look at call disposition codes, you can see in here I have a multitude of different dispositions with from different campaigns. Now, if I was to go in here and choose one campaign, we'll say Praxis Store, and if I check it and hit accept, now if I go to my call disposition codes, you can see they've been limited to just the ones that apply to the Praxis Store. I also have the ability in here to have my date range, so I can say yesterday to today. I can do a time range, and I can also do different transaction types. So all my transactions, what was delivered to agents, not delivered to agents, and also the source. Now again, these filters are based on the report itself. Not all reports will have the same filters that we see here. So once I've set my criteria, we're actually going to open this up a little bit. We're going to say the 27th, and we're going to hit continue. The report will run right in here. I can see some detail. What I can also do is I can go ahead and export it to Excel if I would like. What's unique about some of these reports is the way that we can dive deeper into them. So if you look here, you can see this little arrow, and anytime you see this arrow, that means you can go deeper into the information that it's providing. So in here, I can click on the transaction ID, and I can see a little bit more additional information. I can see when it came in, who it went to, how long it took. What I can also do is I can see right here that we also have another little arrow. So if I click on this, I can dive deeper into that customer information. Now I'm going to go back. Also from this screen, you can see over on the far right, we have audios. So if I click on the speaker, a little window will pop up, and I can listen to it within the browser. I can also download it via MP3 or WAV. But for now, I'm just going to close this out. And again, you can export to Excel, take that information, do whatever you like inside of Excel. This applies to all the reports that we have that you have the ability to export to Excel. The only difference is the filters that you can use to produce your report.